Agriculture is the major occupation in India, as 60% of India's population still practices farming. However, the security and support that the farmers need in this country are still far from sight. This tells the sad story of India's agro sector. Our crop yield is increasing steadily, but despite this accomplishment, India's population is growing faster than its ability to produce crops. Agriculture has become the most unprofitable and unpredictable profession today. Whether it is a small holding or a big one, the farmer is not sure of his income. Growing prices of inputs like seeds, fertilizers, water, and high cost of labor result in escalation of cost of production, which forces the farmers to take a loan either from the banks or from the moneylenders. However, the support prices are not sufficient and the fluctuating prices of the produce invariably make the farmers vulnerable. And in case there is a natural calamity, like the one which happened in March-April 2015 with incessant unseasonal rain, the farmers will be left with practically nothing. He is neither in a position to repay the loan nor recover his own investment. Instead of putting the farmers in the politics of compensation, why does the government not go for a sound agri-insurance system for agriculture on the lines of industry which can save the farmers and take care of the damages arising out of a natural calamity? The existing agricultural insurance in India is an extremely complex system. Majority of farmers in general are not aware of any such system. No one has ever heard of any agricultural insurance agents approaching the farmers. Since the insurance is not done individually, claims are disbursed on group calculations by Nyaya Panchayats based on the district crop data. Insurance benefits thus remain shrouded in mystery and beneficiaries unrecognizable. The question is, why is there no agent for agri-insurance? Why can't the insurance companies hire agents and create a dual benefit of creating lakhs of jobs at the rural level? No farmer would mind paying a small premium if his produce is insured against natural calamity. An agri claim based on individual farmers' need is the answer to thousands of farmers committing suicide in the country. Our farmers are deprived of our faith. It's high time we provide them some.